Good morning, class. In the previous video of chord properties of circles, we studied till question number 10. Let us see some more questions of chord properties of circles. Question number 11. An isosceles triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle if AB equal to AC equal to 12 under root 5 centimeter and BC equal to 24 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. So here you can see that we have made a circle and an isosceles triangle which is inscribed in the circle. AB and BC are 12 under root 5 centimeter and BC, AB and AC are 12 under root 5 and BC equal to 24 centimeter. So this bisector of BC we have drawn, AD, that will be the bisector of BC. If we are drawing this bisector, so this angle ADB will become 90 degree because this bisector of chord will pass through center. So this will be perpendicular to BC. AD will be perpendicular to BC and pass through center. So let us say radius OB, this is radius OB, join OB, let it say x. So this OA is equal to also x. Now we take triangle OBD, ABD, we have taken triangle ABD. In this triangle AB square equal to AD square plus BD square, 12 under root 5 its square equal to AD square plus 12 square. So square of 12 under root 5, that is 720, square of 12 under root 5, that will be 720, equal to AD square plus 144. So we get AD square is equal to 720 minus 144. So AD square equal to 576. So AD will be under root 576, that is 24 centimeter. AD is 24 centimeter. We are getting this AD. So this OD is left now 24 minus x. OD will be left 24 minus x. Now we will take triangle OBD. So taken triangle BOD or OBD, that is OB square equal to OD square plus BD square. So x square equal to OD square, that is 24 minus x whole square plus 144. So x square equal to 24 square 576 plus x square minus 48x, a minus b whole square, then 144. So x square both side cancelled. So we get 48x equal to 720. The x equal to 15 centimeter. So radius of the circle will be 15 centimeter. Let us take question number 14. Radii of two concentric circles are 17 centimeter and 10 centimeter. A line segment PQRS cuts the larger circle at P and S and the smaller circle at Q and R. If QR equal to 12 centimeter, find the length of PQ. So we can see that these are the two concentric circles drawn. Here center of both is O. Then radius of a smaller circle is 10 centimeter. We can see this radius of smaller circle is 10 centimeter and radius of greater circle is 17 centimeter. Then QR is given 12 centimeter. So if we drop a perpendicular from here O to QR, that will bisect the base. This will become 6 centimeter. Now we take triangle OQT. We have taken triangle OQT. So in this we can see OT square equal to OQ square minus QT square. Here we have to find OT. So OT square, that is perpendicular square, equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. So we get OT square equal to 10 square minus 6 square. So OT square equal to 64, OT equal to 8 centimeter. OT we have got 8. Now we take triangle OPT. So in OPT, OP is hypotenuse, OT will become as a perpendicular and PT will remain as base. So we have to find that PQ. So you see, first find out PT. So PT square equal to OP square minus OT square. So PT square equal to 17 square minus 8 square, that is 289 minus 64, that is 225. So PT equal to under root 225, that is 15 centimeter. This PT we have got 15, QT is 6. So how much is PQ? PQ equal to PT minus QT. So we get 15 minus 6 equal to 9 centimeter. Answer. That will be length of PQ. Let us take question number 17. The adjoining figure shows a circle with center O in which a diameter AB bisects the chord PQ at point R if PR equal to RQ equal to 8 centimeter and RB equal to 4 centimeter, then find the radius of the circle. So we can see that this PR and RQ 8 centimeter. This is diameter AB which bisects this at R, bisects at R, so that RB equal to 4 centimeter, this much length, R2B, this is 4 centimeter. Saying find radius of the circle. So join OQ, let this is the radius only, so we can say this is X. So OB is also radius, this it means OB equal to X, then RB is 4, so it means OR will be left X minus 4. So now we will apply in triangle OQR. In triangle OQR, OQ square equal to OR square and plus QR square. So X square equal to X minus 4 square plus 8 square. So X square equal to X square plus 16 minus 8X plus 64. So 8X equal to, both side X square cancel, 8X equal to 80. So X equal to 10 centimeter. Means radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Answer. Let us take question number 18. In the adjoining figure, AB is a chord of a circle with center O and BC is diameter. If OD is perpendicular to AB, show that CA equal to 2OD and CA equal parallel to OD. So here AB is a chord drawn and this BC is diameter, O is the center of the circle. So here this center to the AB we have dropped the perpendicular that will bisect AB. So we can see that D is midpoint of AB. So O and D are midpoint of BC and AB. O is midpoint of BC and D is midpoint of AB. So we apply here midpoint theorem. What is that midpoint theorem? Line joining the midpoints of any two sides of triangle is a half of the third side and parallel to it. So it means this OD will be half of the third side. Third side is left AC. So OD equal to half AC. Just done cross multiplication. So 2OD equal to CA. First part we have got proved, 2OD equal to CA, and this last statement says half of third side and parallel to it. So from this property only OD is parallel to CA. Let us take question number 21. If the chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter through the point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. So we can see here this AD is diameter and these two chords are drawn which make equal angles. You can see that these two angles are made, both are equal. Then saying prove that chords are equal. So now we have joined this OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to AB. So we have dropped this perpendicular. Now you see OA is common. Angle OAM equal to angle OAL. These two angles are equal. Then angle OLA equal to angle OMA. Both equal to 90 degree. So by angle side axiom we can say triangle OAL congruent to triangle OAM. When both triangles are congruent, therefore OL equal to OM. So we can say here OL equal to OM. That means chords are equidistant, and we know that equidistant chords are equal. If the chords are equidistant, then they will be equal. Therefore AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Chords are equal. Take question number 22. Show that equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. So here we have two equal chords AB and CD. Then we have joined this OB, OA, OC and OD. So now we can see it is given AB equal to CD given. Then OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. All these four are equal because they are radii of the same circle. So we can see that by side axiom we can see all corresponding three sides are equal. So by side axiom triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. When both the triangles are congruent, therefore angle AOB equal to angle COD by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This only we have to prove.